Stop by and take a look at the 2024 TrailBlazer. The Chevrolet TrailBlazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the TrailBlazer. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.